Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to install the auxiliary control panel in a hot spring spa. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: Phillips head screwdriver, wire cutters, duct tape, small flat blade or knife. Parts you will need: 71904 aux control panel. Step 1. Disconnect power from the spa. Step 2. Make sure the water level is below the aux panel. Drain some water if you need to. Step 3. Remove the trim piece from the aux panel and remove the panel from the butter dish. Step 4. Remove the equipment door. Step 5. Remove the control panel light lens and loosen the 2 screws. Remove the control panel from the spa. Step 6. Remove the back cover of the control head and disconnect the aux panel. Step 7. Cut the old aux panel cable and secure it to the end of the new aux cable with duct tape. Make sure the cables are dry before connecting them with the duct tape. Step 8. Carefully pull the 2 cables through the conduit. Step 9. Mount the new aux panel in the butter dish and secure it with the trim piece. Step 10. Plug the new aux panel into the control head. Install the cover and mount the control panel with the 2 screws. Step 11. Reconnect power to the spa. Step 12. Test the light and the jets with the new aux panel. Good job! Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.